Ciao dear Sicily lovers and happy rainy day from Sicily. It's winter time, don't forget this. Also in Sicily.
Hello everyone, good morning, happy Monday, happy new week from Sicily. Please Rosella, don't cover the seascape behind us. Okay, guys, so we are in a beautiful location here in Sicily. I try to show you the beautiful sea stacks behind us. It's very popular. We are in the province of Catania. This is a very popular village named Aci Trezza, right? So it's a very small fishing village, very famous for two reasons. One is the hometown of one of the most important Sicilian writers named Giovanni Verga. He settled here. Some important novels by Giovanni Verga were here in this village, in this fishing village. In particular, the Malavoglia. It's an important Italian novel, not only Sicilian, Italian novel that talks about a family of fishermen. And the second reason is the sea stack behind us. Sea stacks, because they are 4 different sea stacks.
Beautiful legend.
They are named faraglioni in Italian, though they are very big rocks. And we are on the slopes of Mount Etna, in the area of Mount Etna. So they have a volcanic origin. I would like to show the stacks. As you can see, they have very funny shapes. Do you realize that they are black? Black as the stones in the coastline. That is named Isola Lachea. Actually, it's a little isle, and the faraglioni have no name. The other stacks, 1, 2, 3, and 4, have no name. We only name them faraglioni. Rosella, would you like to take the camera? Thank you so much, because this is a beautiful story. So the main reason why this area, this village, is very popular, not only in Sicily but all around the world, is the legend of the Homer tale, Odyssey, the Odyssey by Homer. Homer wrote that his main character, Ulysses, came to Sicily, visited Sicily, and he was trapped by Polyphemus, a giant. He fought against Polyphemus into a cave. The cave was the house of Polyphemus. So Ulysses and his crew were trapped by Polyphemus. At the end of the tale, Ulysses made Polyphemus blind. First, he gave Polyphemus the delicious Sicilian wine. When Polyphemus was drunk, he blinded him. So he put a burn stick into the only eye of Polyphemus. Polyphemus was a Cyclops, so a giant with only one eye in the forehead. And so then Ulysses with his crew ran away from Polyphemus' cave. He reached the boat. In the legend, the boat was just over there. And when Polyphemus realized that he was a sort of a fraud from Ulysses, and he was blind because of Ulysses, he tried to have a vengeance, to have a revenge, and he broke off a big stone from the ground and threw the rock toward Ulysses, because he wanted to sink Ulysses' boat. And this is, of course, the result of the Polyphemus' effort to kill Ulysses. These rocks, of course, they are volcanic rocks. We are in a volcanic area. We are on the slopes of Mount Etna. Everything is built by lava stones. Sorry. Also the beaches are black with black pebbles, and this is a beautiful area. So we are in the province of Catania, in the area between Catania and Messina. So if you drive the east coast of Sicily, you drive from Catania to Messina to the north. If you go to Taormina, for example, you can visit this place, and it's so beautiful. And I have also some beautiful memories from my childhood, because my relatives live here. So I remember where I was very young with my cousin Nicola. I went there to pick sea urchins with the inflatable bed. Do you know materassino in English? It's a sort of inflatable bed. I went there, and at the end of the trip, at the end of the journey, my inflatable bed was completely destroyed by the sea urchin, so I had to come back swimming. It is so beautiful, a beautiful memory. And Rosella, what else? This is one of the most popular places in Sicily.
In particular during the summertime,
yeah,
where a lot of people used to
enjoy the
promenade and have a walk just overlooking this beautiful seascape.
I can close the umbrella. I think it's not raining anymore. It's a very bad, very ugly winter day. Even if we are in March, it's March 14. I don't know why we are having some bad days. It's cold also in Sicily, guys. As you can see, this is not the right time to enjoy the sea. Usually we can swim here, but the sea is a little bit bad today.
E noi ora ritorniamo a casa.
So we had, as you know, 3 beautiful days on the slopes of Mount Etna in Lingua Glossa, in the Santoro country house. We had the opportunity to have a special virtual cooking class with some lucky people who had this great time with us, with the 2 ladies, Mariangela and Mary, the mothers of the village from Motta Camastra. And now, as Rosella said, we are getting home. We are here because in May, we are planning in May a medical conference, because we don't manage only private tours of Sicily, she also, because she's the boss, she's the lady of the medical conferences. So we have a medical conference in May, and we have to visit an important hotel. Will be the conference venue,
yes,
right?
Yes.
In the area of Aci Trezza. And so we choose a hotel, a sea view hotel with a view on the Faraglioni, on the sea stacks.
Yes.
And so now we get home.
Yeah.
We are driving to Palermo, to Carini.
2 hours and a half, more
or less,
yes.
Yeah, 2 hours and a half.
Without traffic, we hope.
No, there's no traffic. Only at the entrance of Palermo there is as always, there is a lot of confusion. Palermo is crowded, but not in the highway.
And we have to come back because we have to start working on the next edition of the virtual cooking class and Sicily Lovers meeting. We want to say you that this next appointment will be the last one, so please save the date. Gianca, please remind them the date.
April 9, April 10.
Save the date.
9 and 10.
April.
And it's the last chance for the 2022.
Yes.
Because we will start working about our core business. So we will have our first clients in April. The Rubino and the Spatafora families. Then we have, I think they are 4 or 5 different groups in May. May will be a very, very busy for us. In particular, we have Donna Naples and John and other Sicily Lovers in May. Then we have a group of Canadians. Then we have a group of 4 people from Singapore. So this time,
of course, in June, our Sicily Lovers tour.
In June, we are super happy to spend 10 beautiful days, 12 beautiful days during the Sicily Lovers tour. In July, we have other people. So
in August, we have the 3 beautiful groups from Omaha.
In August,
so
we will be super busy with Teresa's, Sherry's, and perhaps Erica's groups from Omaha.
So that's why April will be our last edition of the Sicily virtual cooking class and Sicily Lovers meeting. So
would you like to make a sort of preview? Would you like to reveal something about the next virtual cooking class?
On Saturday we will do a live broadcast and we will say your teacher and also the dishes we are going to prepare. And be ready because they are 2 of the most difficult recipes. Very hard.
Jeannie Papa Gardner, buongiorno, good morning. She has something really difficult. I can ask her.
The water temperature.
The water temperature it could be very, very, very low. I think it's not possible to swim. But as always, you have to wait till April, May if you are brave. Brave people used to swim from April. Rosella? No, Rosella has to wait till August. But it's not cold today. But it's bad. It's raining. There is a sort of fog everywhere. We were on the slopes of Mount Etna. We had an opportunity to see the volcano because the volcano was completely covered by the
clouds, yes.
by the clouds and also by the fog.
Yes.
And so it's this is also Sicily. Sicily is not a paradise all year round. We have also bad days. We have also the snow, the rain, the wind. But as I used to say, if you come to Sicily from late April to late October, it's perfect. But you never know because sometimes we had clients, for example, the Spatafora family, who enjoyed a wonderful tour of Sicily in February, and they had very
lucky.
Beautiful days, beautiful sunny days. Also this year,
yeah.
We had a beautiful February with many sunny days, yeah. And March is not so good, yeah. So far. I don't know why, but I think everywhere in the world the weather is crazy, is getting crazy. So you don't have to be surprised by this.
So guys, see you on Saturday The registration form is not open yet, of course. We will open the registration form on Saturday during our live broadcast.
Cosa scrivono gli amici nostri? C'è freddo, però io qualche commento lo vorrei leggere. Even if it's cold, I would like to read some comment. Please, Rosella. Carol Cimino.
Carol Cimino, ciao. Hope all is well always.
Yeah,
yes, we
thank
are
you so
fine.
much. We are super fine. Katie O'Brien, ciao Katie.
Ciao, do you both need to get a Sicily Lover umbrella? Yeah, it's a good idea.
This is a very, very good idea. We have to customize our own umbrella, of course.
Ciao,
Sita e Matteo, buongiorno
ciao.
guys. Giuseppe La Bianca, how are you?
Judy Paradiso Romano,
Ciao, Judy.
my zio showed me that when we visit in 2014 and 2019, he lives in Catania.
In Catania, so yeah, we are very close to Catania. Catania is about 10 minutes driving from this place. It's and it's a very, very popular seaside location for the people from Catania. They used to have, I just say, a second house in this area. They used to have their dinners in summertime. Now, as you can see, is completely desert. There are only few people who are walking, who are, I just say, enjoying the promenade. But usually this is so crowded. Rosella. Chi fa salutamo? Salutamo.
Now see you on Saturday. Save the date for the next edition of Virtual Cooking Class and Sicily Lovers meeting, April 9 and 10. Love, hugs and kisses from Sicily.
Ciao.
Ciao, dear Sicily
Ciao.
Lovers.